Hello, good day. My name is Nico Maximilian Majakin. I'm a student of UB00402. I'm here today to present to you my e-profile. So this is my e-profile, and this is the title of my choosing, which is overcoming lack of student facilities in UMS. I'm focusing more on water supply disruptions. And this part here talks about my name and my ID number, my emails, and my most basic introduction of myself. And the reason for me to do this title is that I've been living in campus for the past few months and it gave me a few bad experience. And I think I want to share about it to you. But what really irks me was when I have to go without water for a few days. This is my group members, and this is our mind map. This is my part of the mind map, and you can see the marking here done by our lecturer, Mr. Vincent. Over here we have my essay outline, and again, if you scroll down, it shows my artifacts and reflections. I chose 3 artifacts. First one is a newspaper articles, online newspaper article, which depicts it talks about the 25 illegal water connections found and dismantled. This illegal water connection was in fact connected to the UMS main reservoir, as it stated here. So this was published back in 2019, last year, before COVID. Second one is a video of the scandal of Sabah Water Department, where they found the official to have been in cahoots with the crooks and have been bribed with multi-million. I'm actually speechless. And my third artifact is mainly talks about water. This is my essay draft corner. This is an improved version of my outline, and you can see that I've been improving it. It looks different than my essay draft. I put my references in, and it's the same artifacts and reflection stuff. Moving on to my final essay. Again, this is just an improvement to my previous essay draft. Change a few things. And artifacts and reflection. Moving on to completed essay. This is where I put my final version of essay, the completed one. And this is the exploratory essay, which was done a few weeks ago. It discuss about can technology solve our biggest problems. That is a tour of my profile just now. Thank you for watching.